Shortage of availability of specialists throughout the state. I just want to make that also very clear. It's not just certain districts or certain areas. If you go to most of the rural areas, there's a huge shortage of specialists. So this process of trying to get specialists and more doctors and the shortage that's been there has been there for many, many years. So it's not possible for us to turn that in 1 day's time or 1 week's time or 1 month's time. It's a matter that has created a problem for a very long time. So yes, the process of getting more people, appointing more people in a quick manner is happening, and will continue. We'll try to augment it and try to get as many specialists and doctors as possible. But in the meantime, what is important is to save lives. So therefore, doctors take the decision based on what they feel best at that moment. And if they find there are situations which need to be referred, they refer it to Shillong, since the availability of private hospitals and other facilities and the regional medical center like Nigram's also is there. So those kind of decisions are taken one-to-one basis based on the medical inputs and the medical decision that the doctors will take. But as I said, yes, the process is on. Something we are not saying we can resolve in 1 day, but we are working towards it, and a lot of movement has been made. A lot of manpower has been augmented already, and we'll continue to do it. We'll try to resolve this problem as we go along.